in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a shape that is similar to another shape but enlarged in size. So in this case we are going to be drawing a shape that's similar to another shape enlarged in size. So all you need to do is you draw the baseline of this shape, extend the baseline. So and then you locate the pole. So I want this to be my pole, the pole for my object. So I send it to the right, and then through this pole P, begin to join every desired point of the object. So in this case, we have the center of the circle here. So I'll also join that to the pole. Join every vertex of the object to the pole. So I'll join this to the pole. I'll join this vertex to the pole. I'll join this to the pole too. I'll join this to the pole here. So now I guess I would also join this to the pole. Now that's good. We have all the points of the figure. Now the next part here is to draw the let this be B. So this will be the main part from which we'll be drawing all the objects. So basically we'll extend this downwards. Then you project each of the vertices downwards too. So I'll projecting each of the vertices of this object downwards. So for example, this first vertex, I'll project it downwards to meet the baseline. So for the next one, I'll also project this one downwards. So you can see that the circle, this top vertex and the center of the circle, they are on the straight line, and even the middle one. So are they? I guess they are. So I can. This is the back one. Then also have this one here. Finally, this one. So good to go. The next part is basically you begin to radiate lines from all these vertex to this main line. So we'll begin to radiate lines from this radiate lines from here to here, radiate lines from here to here. So radiate lines to that main base. So then for this one behind, you radiate the line backwards. So here we go. So that's good. Now the next part is you begin to join all these radiated points to the pole. So I will join the radiated points to the pole. Join them to the pole. To the pole. So good. So now we're joining all the radiated points to the pole. So after doing that, that's the next process. Now the next thing to do is after joining the radiated point, you pick the point of your new object. So let's pick this point B complements. That will be the new point from which our new enlarged figure will emerge. So then we extend it downwards too. Draw a horizontal line and extend it downwards. Extend it downwards. Extend it downwards. So good to go. Now after doing the extension, so the next part to do is to extend the radiated lines. So we'll extend our radiated lines upwards now. So what that means is we extend this one through the center of the circle. So that's through which the original figure will pass through. Pass through those radiated lines. Now we have this. Good. So then we have this next one. This is a procedure that requires you to be calm and collected throughout, so that you can achieve your aim. So after doing this, now I have the radiations. So this top and this is the center of this. Then this top one versus 3. So the top of this and the center of the circle, they also have the same points of radiation. While this is at the back. Next, after doing the radiations, all we need to do is we extend these ones here. extend this one here. This is the line. We'll extend downwards, and then after that you begin to extend these lines here. Extend them. Begin to extend them till they get to the figure, to the bottom of the figure you are looking for. So for this one, the bottom actually falls below. So let's extend this one. Radiate them downwards from the pool. So I'll see the procedure. And the last one, which is the backward one, we'll radiate it also. Then the last stage of this process is basically to begin to radiate the arcs. So this arcs will be the arcs that represent the points of this enlarged figure. I have the first one. Then we have the second arcs. We have the third one. Then we have the fourth one. Now we have the last one. So we'll just radiate it. So then finally you need to extend them upwards. So this will now intersect each of these radiation lines, the radiated lines. It will intersect them, and those will be the points that would satisfy for the objects of this. You have this one, and finally we have the last one. So let me extend these extension lines so that they can satisfy the points for the objects. So I haven't done that. The next part to do is basically the last stage is to begin to intersect each of the lines with its counterpart in the reduced figure. So in this point, we have the counterpart of this here. So this one is actually radiated backwards. So basically that was a mistake. So we need to extend this one backwards. This is a backward figure. So it will actually start here. Let's take it upwards. So actually start here. That means this one that we radiated here, it was for this point, and it also intersects this one. So we'll just take it up and to intersect this the first point. Then for this one, it has a base. So that's for that. Then for the center of the circle, we have it here as this line. So when we take it up, it will intersect its counterpart. This is the center of the circle. Let it intersect the counterpart, that is here. Then also for this top one, it also intersects this one here. So they are on the same curve. Then finally we have the one behind it. So when we take it down, it is this first arc intersecting the arc here. So that's it. Then for the this one, this is the last one. It doesn't intersect its own line here. So that's good. Then finally, okay, I guess that's all the points to it. So the next thing to do is basically we'll begin to join. So we have the center of the circle. I guess we have the center of the circle from here. So yes. So we need to join the points together that satisfy the part of this shape. So we draw them. Now we have these two. We have these two. So you can see that this is the enlarged figure of the same shape, but it has been enlarged. So now the one that is going to complete it is the circle. Let's draw the circle. So this enlarged figure also has a circle. So this is the center of the circle. Let's see. So yes, this will be the center. So then you just open it to the side, and it's also supposed to pass through that point. So here it goes. Here we go. So I have the circle here in the enlarged figure. So you can see that every point coincides. So this is basically the enlarged figure, and this is the reduced figure. So this is a process of how to draw a figure similar to another figure but enlarged in size. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more educational content like this. Thanks for watching.